Welcome. In front of me is a Hotwave Note 12, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, like so, and do that once more to extend the list of toggles. Now in here, obviously, we're looking for the Do Not Disturb mode, which is visible on the first page, at least that is for me, right over here. But if you can't see it on the first page, you could swipe to the left and hopefully you can find it on this page right here. In any case, once you see the toggle, which it should be added by default, you can hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings. That was a tongue twister for some reason. In any case, in here, we'll have a couple different options, so I'm gonna just quickly touch upon a couple of them and ignore other ones. So let's go over people. Here you can select who can call you or message you. Calls have additional option with the repeated callers, so if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will bypass whatever you have selected right here. Completely get ignored. Anyway, moving to the next option, schedule, allows you to select a fully automatic schedule. There is one always pre-made called sleeping, which starts at 10 p.m. and ends at 7 a.m. And if you want, you can create new schedules. You can edit these ones, existing ones, and in any case, if you're planning to use any one of them, just tap on the toggle next to it to enable it. And from there on out, the schedule will turn itself on once the time comes. So in this case, at 10 p.m. So still a couple hours away from it actually turning on. And then once the time comes, it will turn itself off. And the last option will be the duration for quick settings, which I recommend selecting to be on a timer set for 1 hour. You can make it something longer, 3-4 hours, depending on how much time you think you will need it to be running during 4. I like to set it up to cover whatever purposes I might need it for, present and future ones. So just add a couple more hours. If you think you're going to need it for 1 hour every time or whatever, or 2 hours, give that 2 hours plus 1 additional hour just in case. And the reason I recommend selecting this option is because, at least for me, I'm a smooth brain, so the moment I enable it, I'll probably forget about it once I'm done needing it. Therefore, it's just going to be running indefinitely in the background. Now this option will basically save me, because once my polished brain forgot about it, the device will remember about it and turn it off for me. So pretty nice option. And obviously going to the steps of enabling, disabling this mode, find the toggle and just tap on it. Now when you have the timer enabled, it tells you till what time the mode will be running till. So for me it's 9:56. So there we go. Now with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.